All right, we're going to talk about Poppet. Now, Poppet has those great shelves that we love, that literally without a tool, you just open them up and throw that top rack over it. But what we're able to find is with the Poppet is they created drawers made out of the same metal for you so that you could add to your Poppet rack the drawers. You also can do a couple other things, but I'll explain that as we go. This has a clearance price. There'll be no reorder on this. Originally, they were $45 for two. Now they're 40% off, $24.99. But like everything else at clearance, no reorder on this. You get both of these, 22 pounds per basket they can hold, so keep that in mind. And this one is your black. You get two in black. If you like the white, we have two in white. Here is the bronze for you, or pewter, I'm sorry. There's your pewter. And then here's the bronze for you. So we have four colorways: pewter, bronze, black, and white. And the nice thing about this is BPA wire, powder coated wire to it. So there's no way that you're going to have to worry about anything happening to this. And there's so many different ways that you're going to use this. But the nice thing about this is this has, let me put it this way so you could actually see what I'm talking about. I had it backwards. Take a look between here and here. This is how it slides onto the Poppet rack. It might also slide onto, see that? So that's just the perfect space, so you don't have to put it on permanently, and you slide that in. I'm showing you the back. So this is what it would look like from the front once you hang it somewhere, or you could certainly set these down, or even, if you wanted to. Let's see, could you? It might be a little tricky to try to put them one on top of the other, but I guess it's possible. Maybe this is where you put your potatoes and your onions. I was just looking at a garden magazine and I was deciding what kind of potatoes I wanted to grow this year. You could put your potatoes in there and store those kinds of things. How about in the garage? If you've got a tennis player, a pickleball, your balls can go in here if you want to. There's so many different things. In the laundry room, you could go ahead and, put your dryer sheets if you use them, or the dryer balls in here. Garage, laundry room, craft room. For a crafter, this would be just heavenly. Under $25 for both of these. So this is your black, here's your white, and they all slip on easily. A 1-inch depth, so it'll fit over even your fridge and freezer shelves if you have a fridge that large, or your countertop. So think about that. V58813.